A tank holds two immiscible liquids. The upper layer consists of oil with a specific gravity of 0.8 and a depth of 2 meters, while the lower layer is mercury with a depth of 1 meter. The tank is open to the atmosphere. Determine the pressure at the bottom of the tank in kilopascals. So, yung thinyo natin magiging ganito. Merong dalawang liquid. The upper layer will be the oil with specific gravity of 0.8, while the liquid below is in mercury with a depth of 1 meter. So, ito yung mercury na nasa baba, 1 meter, and the oil is 2 meters. The depth is 2 meters. Specific gravity of the oil is 0.8, and specific gravity of the mercury is 13.6. So, ang hinahanap is pressure at the bottom of the tank. Well, starting from the top, it is just summation of gun height. The pressure at the bottom will be gamma times height of the oil. So, that represents the pressure at the interface. Then, dapat punta pa tayo sa baba. Plus gamma height of the mercury. Dito yung ating pinag-uusapan na pressure. Okay? So, ang gamma ng coil, take note, given po yung specific gravity. The specific gravity of oil times gamma water. Ito yung gamma ng oil. O times H or height ng oil. Ang gamma ng mercury, specific gravity of the mercury, has gamma water. And times height of the mercury. Okay? Now, notice that common naman yung gamma water. O we can just factor that out. I-factor out na lang natin. Ang gamma ng water is 9.81. Again, if a factor out ko siya kasi common naman siya. Sg of oil, 0.8. Height of coil is 2 meter. Okay? Sg of mercury is 13.6. Height of the mercury is 1 meter. So, again, pinactor out natin yung 9.85. Okay, the answer is 149.112.